If you see a giant red candle like this eating the last 3 candles, this means that the market has pressured down. This is how you can trade very good consolidation phases. That means, for example, here's a consolidation phase. That means that the market has here a lot of candles. And once you see one candle that eats 3 last candles like here, those are signs that the market is detaching itself, that the market does not want to touch this consolidation phase up here anymore. Those are signs that the market is continuing going down or up, depends on the direction. I'm going to show you here another example. You have here a very big consolidation phase. These are very dangerous. Be careful that you don't look too much on single candles on this one. Here you literally need to see that the market goes away, not touching the market like here where my mouse is. But here's not such of a red candle as you can see here that is eating the past 3 candles. So make sure you see that the market is pushing away. And once you see something like down here, one long red candle that is eating the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 past candles, this means that the market has pressure. But now you have to take something also in consideration, and those are targets. The main reason why it works down here and not that much up here is because this consolidation phase up here is like a magnet. If the market is nearby, make sure you understand where is the bigger structure low, where is the bigger structure high, and you'll see very often that the market sticks in this price range. Once you see that the market is deciding for one direction, like here you see the market is touching this high but not rotating higher properly. Here you can see not properly that one green candle is eating the past 3 candles. Here you see the market is going here to the low. Here you see then how the market here has a very long red candle here, what is eating the past 4 or 5 candles, and this can be very beneficial now because here you see the market is not that much consolidating up here anymore. The market was deciding for the bottom here, and the market now shows you a pattern eating literally the past candles that the market would like to go down. For example, here, what is still nearby the consolidation phase, but especially now here, the market is detaching itself from this consolidation phase, showing you that the market likes to trade lower prices, and then using this method can be very beneficial. I'm going to show you one more example here. So every time you have a very big consolidation phase like here, make sure you see that the market is powering away, as you see here. And once you have one red candle that is eating the last 3 candles. So for example, here we have a red candle that is eating this candle, this candle, and this candle. You see just how big this candle is here. And it's literally eating the candlestick bodies. If you look, the range of the candlestick bodies are that small. And then there's this red candle coming, eating it literally, like just making a more powerful move. Like for example, here you have 3 candles, and now you have one green candle that is doing here a powerful move. Make sure you understand this 3-step method. Step number 1 is that you understand the consolidation phases, that every time the market is for 30 minutes, 2 or 3 hours in one price area, it's very dangerous. Make sure the market is pushing away and is not staying that long there. So that means in a live environment, down here, the market is just like for 20 minutes down here. And this is the main reason why trading down here for selling can be still okay. But once you see here, the market is staying here for 30 minutes or even longer, this is when it gets dangerous. This is when it doesn't work that much anymore. This is when you almost need to trade even the next day. And once you see the market is, for example, like from down here, this consolidation phase pushing up. Now the second step is then that you understand targets. Like for example, the market makes sense that it wants to go to this high. The market makes sense here in this case that it wants to go to this high here, just like bigger structure highs. And then you should be looking at now the setup. That means if you see a long green candle like here that is eating the past couple of candles, those are pressure signs that you see the market is going higher. So let me search with you another example. Like here, for example, you're seeing here one long of a green candle that is eating the past 3 candles in move. So this one candle is this long, the green candle, and the other candles are just like that small, and that's why it can be considered as eating. If you're a business owner and want to learn this in person with me online, go to tradewithjd.com. Else, just use the free content, and I hope it works well for you and it will help you. Please use always a demo account.